Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Glenn Murray, and if you're brand new, hit the subscribe button. It certainly helps the channel a lot. This is going to be how to transform your AI cash machines funnel over to the Freedom Blueprint product. It's just two affiliate products, and because AI cash machines is no longer being sold, we're going to convert it to a JVZoo product, and we're going to just simply show you how to do that. There's two ways you can do it. You get into my free school. It's called Affiliate Quickstart Setup. It's on the school app. If you don't know where to find it, I'll put a link below. So what you want to do is you want to go right into the classroom here and then click on the Freedom Blueprint. And basically what we're going to do is I recommend picking up this product so you know what you're selling. It's a very good course. This is the course itself here. It's very, very simple to follow. And this final URL and testing is really, really important. So you want to make sure that you have this because you're going to need that the affiliate link tracker in there. All right, so what you're going to do is once you purchase the blueprint, you want to get your Systeme.io account if you already have one. Of course, if you're changing the funnel out, then you already have that. Now, one way you can do it is you can just import this funnel and you can import the email series, or you can go over to your Systeme.io and go into your cash machine hack that'll be in your, so go to sites, sales funnels, your funnel list, you'll click on the AI cash machine hack that you've already put in there, the opt-in page, and then you want to hit edit page. And this will say, this would have said before AI cash machines, you just want to change that to Freedom Blueprint. You want to change this to Freedom Blueprint. And then on the button here, you want to put your JVZoo link there. Easy to find, go over to JVZoo. If you don't have an account, make one. Go search for Freedom Blueprint and then copy the link there. And then you're going to put it in there. All right. So now we've got the funnel set up. So what they're going to do is they're going to put their name in, their email address. They're going to click the link. They're going to be taken to, now they're going to be taken to Freedom Blueprint instead of AI cash machines. Now we need to set up that campaign. So what we want to do is, first off, we're going to exit this page and we're going to go over and we need to create a trigger, which is going to be a tag. So under CRM, go to tags, hit create, and then you just want to create a tag, you know, Freedom Blueprint or whatever you want to call it. Okay. Once you've created that tag, you're going to go over to rules. Where is it here? Automations, rules. And we're going to create, and we're going to say when this tag is added. So we choose our tag, Freedom Blueprint. We're going to do this. We're going to subscribe to campaign. And then you just pick the campaign. I actually named mine has free trial. You can name yours Freedom Blueprint, whatever you want. So just has free trial is what I named it. So what happens is they hit the page, they put in their name, they put in their email, they click the button, they get taken to the offer, and then the campaign gets started by that tag that's added, and it starts sending them to emails. This is all automatic, okay? So now the last thing you need to do is go into your campaigns and into the, where is it? The has free trial campaign. These are all the emails that you're going to have. And you need to go through each one of these, okay? And you need to add that JVZoo link that you have, all right? Now he has, and go through the course because he has an actual webinar that sells a high ticket item for you. And you can put that link here, or you can put the link here. You can do this however you want. You can either promote the Freedom Blueprint, or you can promote in the email series. You want to promote it on the front end because that's like a low ticket item. In here, you can either promote the webinar, which leads them to a $1,000 commission product, or just keep sending them back to Freedom Blueprint, or do a combination of both. Anyways, all the emails are written for you. They're all done. Everything's in there. You just need to go in and change your links. Okay. And if you want to change any of the wording, you can do that too. And then you want to save it. And you'll see that there's quite a few emails that you have to go through and change, but it's worth it. It'll take you, once you have your link, it'll take you about 45 minutes to do it. And then it's all done. Now, the last step that you need to do is, I told you about that tracker, right? So we want to go back to our sales funnel, and we want to go, it was the AI cash machine hack. We want to turn that trigger on. So we're going to go in here, we're going to edit page. We're going to click on the button. And right here, add automation tool. And that's where we want to make sure that that tag gets added. So we want to add it. You can add any one you want, but you want to make sure you add the one that triggers the campaign. Now, the last thing we want to do, you want to go over to Copecart. Make sure you get a Copecart, free Copecart account. You need to copy. Okay, once your automation is done, you want to save that, exit the page. Now you want to copy this link right here, okay? And we're going to go over into our course, and we're going to go to final URL and testing, and we're going to click to get the affiliate tracker. Now what we want to do is we want to put our opt-in page link there. And then this is going to be our Copecart ID. So when you set up your Copecart account, you will have an ID with it, whatever you want. It can be some people use their first initial last name. I've used F&A Network for a long time, so it's just always been my affiliate name. You can do whatever you want, but make sure that it is the same one that's in Copecart. All right, so then you generate the link. Now, see this whole big long link? When I paste it into a URL, it takes me to the page, but it's also added this big long tracking code here at the top. That tracking code puts a cookie on the person's machine, and that way it tracks them to, if they go and buy the Copecart product, you get paid for that commission. Now you want to have that tracking link because it's really important, because you can get paid on all of Philip Johnson's funnels just by putting them into one. So you're tracked with both JV Zoo cookie, and you're tracked with a Copecart cookie. So it's really cool, and you can earn high ticket products, all that kind of thing, just by using the Freedom Blueprint. Now, if you have any questions, message me. You go into my group. I also have a private school group, which you can join for a small monthly fee. And I go live every couple of weeks in there. I also, you're added to my Telegram group, and you can ask me any questions in there, and I can really help you. So it's kind of like your personal contact with me. I do talk to people in my free group, but you get way more help from me in, I only have limited amount of time, so you get way more hands-on help from me in the other one. Now, if you just want to set up the funnel, just straight set it up without messing with changing something, just follow the steps in here. It shows you how to do everything, getting your domain, setting up your email, all that stuff. You need all that stuff, and you just go through the system and set it all up. It's very simple. Here's the links to get the Freedom Blueprint. Here's the High Achievers Copecart link, Copecart, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully that's helped you out, guys. I hope if you're brand new to my channel, go join my free school. So you can check around, you can poke around there and see if there's anything you like. This is the main product that I recommend right now is the Passive Digital Mastery. It's phenomenal, guys. Like there's 181 videos in this thing that you can learn from. Also OPS, it has 6 streams of income. It's a free masterclass you can sign up for there. You want to watch it once a month. Miguel goes live and does an amazing job showing you exactly how to do affiliate marketing. And there's other programs you can join in here that you may want to do. All right, so that's it, guys. If you're on my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. If you're in my school, I'm going to post this right in the school, so you guys are able to watch it, and you're able to transform your AI cash machines funnel over to the Freedom Blueprint, and that way you won't even miss a beat. Especially if you have, why you want to transform your funnel over. If you've already got a following, you've got that link out there, maybe you've sent the link out in lots of emails, or you've got it on lots of social media posts, then you'd really want to transform the current funnel into the new funnel, because you don't want to send them to a product that's not there for them to buy. All right, guys, that's it. I will see you on the next one. Cheers.